Meaning of deadweight.
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 Deadweight. The term deadweight refers to an economic concept that describes the negative impact of a particular policy, regulation, or tax on an economy. Deadweight loss occurs when the cost of producing or consuming goods or services becomes greater than the benefits derived from those activities. This leads to a decrease in economic efficiency, as resources are wasted to comply with regulations or taxes rather than being used to produce goods and services that people actually want. Ultimately, deadweight can result in decreased economic growth, increased unemployment, and reduced consumer welfare.